On today's video, we are doing some install of some Hondata goodies on this beautiful black Acura Integra. Today we are going to be installing the Hondata Coil over plug kit with a couple of Speed Factory goodies to go along with it, and some K-Series coil packs, which we're going to show you guys right now. So now that you guys see what we're going to be installing on your car, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into it. This isn't much of a DIY. This is more of an installation video. It's kind of very time consuming and precise. It's not something that I can really do two things at the same time because I got to be so focused with the wiring. So we're going to go ahead and jump on into that. Alrighty, you guys, so as of right now, as you can see, we have the coil plate in with all the coils in, bolted in, connected. We ran our Hondata COP wiring harness through already. We depinned our distributor 2 connectors for the TAC and for the 12 volt plus and pinned those two there. We ran our ground straight to our OEM thermostat housing here. And then we ran the rest of the wire with the stock wire harness right through the firewall plug underneath this catch can, so that you can see it comes all the way down and to here. I have it taped off to have protect the connector when I was sliding it through the firewall. I'm going to remove all this tape now and then get into depinning this A connector right here to pin our new wires in, and get a base map on this thing and hopefully start it up and see how she runs. Alrighty, you guys, so I have the battery connected now, have everything powered up. As you guys can see, the Honda CPR kit, you see the green light there. I don't have it mounted anywhere only because the ECU is kind of just laying there. I don't want to mount this somewhere and they end up moving the ECU later on because it's supposed to stay close to the ECU. So I kind of just left it there for them to mount whenever they find a place, nice stable place for the ECU. Let them go ahead and install that themselves or secure it themselves. Other than that, we go ahead and go on our Hondata S300, download the map off of the ECU, go into our miscellaneous tab, and right here we are going to, let me see if I can get this to focus, turn on our CPR coil fat retrofit outputs. And in order to do that, you got to enable ignition sync output on it, the alternator C, which is one of the pins that we plugged into the ECU down there. And then the other two, upload your base map, and then the car should be ready to start. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, there she is. Let me just say, guys, this is such a beautiful car with such a beautiful interior. Guys, we're pretty much going to wrap it up here. We are pretty much all done and all set with the Acura Integra. We have the Speed Factory racing plate installed, the distributor cover installed, along with the Hondata COP kit installed, fully functioning. As you guys saw, we did the whole install here. I just want to give a big shout out to Damaro for one, trusting us on working on this vehicle. Two, I haven't even met this kid yet in person yet, and he had no problem dropping off his car. He knew we were going to get the job done. He knew we were going to do a good job on the car, and as you guys saw, everything went pretty smooth. The car is running the same way it got dropped off. He's actually going to tune, if not today, sometime within the following month. Hopefully, you know, we could go ahead, tag along with him, and go film that as well. So we're just going to go ahead and pull the car out, wait for him to get here, and just pretty much run him through everything we did. As for that, we're pretty much done here with this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and we'll catch y'all at the next one. Oh, I love turbo noises.